Are you looking for reliable auto repair in Houston, Texas to service your luxury car? Bemer Motor Cars is more than just a service department. We specialize in German engineering, including BMW and Land Rover, and provide expert care for all luxury makes and models. What can you expect from our European car repair and service? We're fully equipped with factory tools and advanced diagnostic equipment, and our certified technicians specialize in all luxury brands. Plus, we offer our own towing and roadside assistance for added convenience. All work comes with a 2-year unlimited miles warranty on parts and labor. For enhanced performance, Bemer Motor Cars has entered into an exclusive partnership with Dinan USA and BMW, allowing Bemer Motor Cars to provide customers with BMW performance tuning, parts, software, and accessories without impacting factory warranty coverage. We also offer locksmith services and same-day key fob programming, even if you've lost your only key. Our control module programming and coding services guarantee your car runs smoothly and efficiently. Looking for auto body repair and detailing? Our exquisite auto detailing service provides meticulous care for your vehicle's appearance. Rest assured with our Bosch Car Service, part of a trusted nationwide network known for quality and reliability. We deliver reliability and excellence in BMW and Land Rover repair and maintenance. In case of an accident, our collision center has restored thousands of cars over the last 30 years. Keep your car performing at its best. Contact Bemer Motor Cars for expert auto repair and service you can trust. Serving Houston and surrounding areas. Schedule an appointment online today.